in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make your mouse pointer appear larger or smaller on your Toshiba computer, laptop, or tablet device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result, you come back with settings. Go ahead and select that. Select accessibility on the left panel, and then on the right side underneath vision, select where it says mouse pointer and touch. And then there should be a size item down here. Just drag it to left or right to make it larger or smaller. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.